Good morning and welcome back to GCC Domestic System, your professional training academy at www.gccdomestic.com. Today is one of my favorite modules because what we learn today, you will do every single morning of your working life. We are going to learn how to clean a GCC bedroom completely and professionally from the moment you open the door to the moment you walk out. This is your complete guide. We'll cover everything from privacy rules to the final walkthrough. Let's get started. Before we talk about cleaning, we must talk about respect. The bedroom is the most private and personal space in any home. This is where the family sleeps, where they keep their most personal belongings, their jewelry, their money, and private documents. Never look at papers on a desk or bedside table. Even if they are left open, your eyes should only be on the surfaces you are cleaning. Always knock before entering, even if you believe it is empty. Wait 3 seconds before opening. This is non-negotiable professional behavior. Never open drawers unless specifically asked by the employer. Respect their privacy like it's your own. Trust is your foundation. If you find money or jewelry on the floor, tell the employer immediately and show them where you found it. Honesty builds enormous trust. Never share information about the family's bedroom with anyone outside. Trust is built or broken here. Be someone they can rely on. Now, let's learn the professional order of cleaning. We always work from the top of the room to the bottom. This is vital. Dust and dirt fall down. If you clean the floor first and then dust the fan, you've just made your clean floor dirty again. This rule saves you time and effort. Start high and finish on the floor. Use this rule in every room of the house. Step 1. The very first thing you do is open the windows. This brings fresh air and natural light into the space. Fresh air removes the smell of sleep and helps you see dust clearly. Leave them open while you clean, but check the family's AC preference. Step 2. Look around for any clothes that need washing. Check the floor, any chairs, and the bathroom door. Collect everything. Do a basic sort. Separate light colors from darks and whites. Take them to the laundry area now so they wash while you finish. Time management. Warning: never put delicate items in regular laundry without checking labels. If you aren't sure, set it aside and ask. Step 3. Strip the bed completely. Remove all pillowcases, the top sheet or duvet cover, and the fitted bottom sheet. Take them to laundry. While the bed is stripped, look at the mattress. Check for any stains, wear, or damage. Report anything unusual to the employer immediately. Step 4. Now we start cleaning from the top. Dust the ceiling fan blades. Use a long-handled duster or a stable step stool. Always dust the top of the blades first. That's where dust hides. Then dust the bottom. Make sure the fan is off. Step 5. Continue working downward. Dust the top of wardrobes, wall shelves, and picture frames. High areas trap thick dust. Fold your microfiber cloth into quarters. When one side is dirty, flip to a clean section. This is a professional hotel technique. Don't just dust around objects. Lift them. Wiping underneath every lamp and photo frame is what separates pros from amateurs. Wipe light switches and door handles with a slightly damp cloth. They collect many fingerprints and bacteria every single day. Step 6. Wipe all furniture surfaces. Bedside tables, dressing tables, and desks. Pick up each item to wipe underneath it. Never rearrange personal items. Everything must go back exactly where it was. This shows respect for the family's space. If you accidentally knock something over or break something, tell the employer immediately. Honesty builds enormous trust. Step 7. Clean every mirror and glass surface. Large mirrors are a GCC staple and must be perfectly streak-free. Spray the glass cleaner onto your cloth first. This prevents drips from running down onto expensive furniture frames. Wipe in a circular motion to remove smears, then finish with straight strokes for a perfectly clear result. Up and down is best. Avoid using too much cleaner, which causes streaks. A light spray on the cloth is all you need for a brilliant shine. Check the mirror from an angle. This shows remaining streaks you can't see from the front. Professional hotel technique. Now we come to the most important part, making the bed. A perfectly made bed is the mark of a true professional. Let me show you. Start with the fitted sheet. Put the first corner on securely. This is your anchor for a tight, smooth bed. No wrinkles. Now, move to the diagonal corner and pull it taut before fitting. This ensures the sheet is smooth across the mattress. Step 9. Place the flat sheet on top. It must hang equally on both sides and align perfectly with the top of the mattress. Measure with your arm to ensure the overhang is equal. If it's crooked, the whole bed will look wrong. Accuracy matters. Step 10. Hospital corners. This technique separates a professional bed from an average one. Watch this very carefully. First, tuck the end of the sheet firmly under the mattress at the foot of the bed. It must be deep and secure. Lift the side of the sheet up at a 45-degree angle. This creates the clean flap you see here. Hold it in place. While holding the flap, tuck the lower hanging piece neatly under the mattress. Smooth it as you tuck. No lumps. Now, bring the lifted flap straight down and tuck it firmly under the mattress. The result is a sharp, tight corner. Don't let the corner be loose or rounded. It must be a sharp 90-degree angle to stay in place all day long. Practice makes perfect. Look at that perfect corner. Practice until you can do this in under 30 seconds. It makes the bed look like a luxury hotel. Step 11. Place the duvet or blanket. It must sit perfectly symmetrically, equal on the left, right, and at the foot of the bed. If you need to change the cover, use the inside-out technique. It's much faster and avoids lumps or messy corners. Smooth it out. Step 12. Put on fresh pillowcases. Fluff each pillow by punching and shaking it to restore its full professional shape. Symmetrical pillows. Place sleeping pillows at the head, then arrange decorative cushions. Observe how the family likes them and follow their style exactly. This is the hotel look GCC families expect. Every pillow symmetrical, every sheet tight. It shows your high standard of work. Step 13. Final bed check. Stand back and look at it as if you were the family member seeing it for the first time. Is it perfect? Is it straight? Are the pillows symmetrical? If something is off, fix it now. It takes seconds but creates a great impression all day. Step 14. Now that the dusting and bed making are done, we clean the floor last. This ensures no dust from above falls on our clean floor. If the room has carpet, vacuum it thoroughly in overlapping rows. Work from one end of the room to the other systematically. Full coverage. Always vacuum under the bed. This area collects enormous amounts of dust and is often skipped. The family will check here. Make sure it is spotless. Use the flat attachment to reach as far as possible. If floors are hard, sweep and then mop with a damp mop. No dust left. For marble or tile, sweep first, then mop. Remember, bedroom floors should never be too wet. Use a clean, slightly damp mop. Clean water is best. When mopping marble, always use pH-neutral cleaners. Harsh chemicals can damage the stone over time. Respect the home's materials. Step 15. You are almost done. The final step is a professional walkthrough. Stand at the door and look at the entire room. Check everything. Check every area. Is the bed perfectly made? Are all surfaces clean? Are items in their correct positions? Is the room truly perfect? Is the floor clean with no footprints? Is the bin emptied? Most importantly, make sure you haven't left any cleaning cloths or products behind. If everything is perfect, you are done. Close the door quietly and move to the next room. Respect the space as your own. Outstanding work. If you find a stain on curtains or a broken light, report it immediately. It's better they hear it from you than find it later. Professionalism is transparency. Children's rooms need extra organization. Collect toys and put them in the correct baskets or shelves. Arrange books neatly by size. Check the floor very carefully for small items that could be dangerous for young children. Don't throw anything away without asking first. No rubbish. In a baby or toddler's room, use only mild, child-safe products. Babies are sensitive to chemical fumes, so keep their air clean and safe. Always. A guest room must always be ready. As if guests could arrive today? Fresh sheets and towels should be in place at all times for the family. Ensure the room smells fresh. A light air freshener is appropriate. Guests should feel they are entering a perfectly prepared, welcoming space. Freshness. Hospitality is the heart of your work. By creating a clean, fresh space, you are welcoming the family and their guests. It's a beautiful service you provide. Outstanding work! You have completed Module 3. Every morning when you make a perfect bed, you are doing something beautiful for the family you serve. Let's review. Always knock before entering. Always clean top to bottom. Fan first, floor last. Strip the bed and start laundry first. Save time. Master those hospital corners. Always vacuum under the bed and perform a final walkthrough from the doorway. Perfection is in the details. Always. Make these steps your daily habit. Consistency is what makes you a great professional. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. Keep it up. In Module 4, we go to the bathroom, another vital room to master. I will see you there. Keep training. Keep growing. You are doing great. Remember your daily checklist. Open windows, remove laundry, strip the bed, and take used linens to the laundry area. Consistency is key. Your weekly checklist includes dusting ceiling fans, light fixtures, and high shelves. This ensures no dust buildup over time in the home. For teen rooms, be extra careful with electronics and study areas. Respect their privacy. Do not read notes or look at their screens. Trust is vital. Let's test your knowledge. First, why do we always clean from top to bottom? Think about gravity and dust. Pause and discuss with your classmates. Next, what should you do if you find money or jewelry on the bedroom floor? Your answer determines your professionalism. Discuss your response now. Finally, what should you do if you accidentally break something in the bedroom? Remember our core value of honesty. Discuss this with your instructor. You are now ready to clean a GCC bedroom to the highest standard. Take pride in your work every day. You are a true professional in the making. Visit www.gccdomestic.com for all your resources. Thank you for training with GCC Domestic System. We'll see you in the next module. Thank you. Review these movements once more. From the initial knock to the final check, every second counts. Master these steps, and you master your career. Quality is consistency. Professionalism is respect. You are the heart of the home.